Good morning, all of you. Students, we are doing the chapter Structure and Function of Living Things, in which we are discussing different systems present in human body. We discussed about digestive system, respiratory system, and circulatory system. Today, I am going to start the next system, that is the nervous system. Students, it is a system of organs which controls and coordinates all the activities of our body. And like other system, it also has many organs. First organ of our nervous system is the brain. The brain is the most delicate and important organ of the nervous system. It is situated in the head and is well protected by the skull. It weighs about 1.35 kilogram. The brain controls most of the human activities. The right portion of the brain controls the left part of the body, whereas the left portion of the brain controls the right part of the body. Do you know, students, by the age of 5, a child's brain reaches 90% of its full weight. The brain is roughly shaped like a walnut kernel. Next organ is the spinal cord. It is a tube-like structure which is attached to the brain. It runs inside the vertebral column. The spinal cord is about 50 centimeter long. It carries messages from the brain to all parts of the body and from the body parts back to the brain. That means it transfers the messages from the brain and from the other parts of body back to the brain. The next organ is nerves. The nervous system is made up of billions of nerve cells which carry messages throughout the body. The message travels through the cells as a small electrical current called a nerve impulse. Nerves are of two types, sensory nerves and motor nerves. The sensory nerves carry messages from sense organs to the brain, and the motor nerves carry commands given by the brain to the muscles. Once again, thus there are two types of nerves, sensory nerves and motor nerves. Sensory nerves carry messages from sense organs to the brain, and the motor nerves carry commands given by the brain to the muscles. The next is the sense organs. Human beings have 5 major sense organs for different senses. They are nose, that is for smell, tongue for taste, skin for touch, eyes for vision, and ears for hearing. These sense organs, on receiving a message in the form of a sensation, it may be smell, touch, taste, vision, and sound, send it to the brain through the sensory nerves. Now, students, in the end of this session, I am going to share two information. That is, there are about 10,000 taste buds on our tongue. And one more, we blink on an average about 6 times a minute. These are two interesting information, and with these information I am going to close the class of today. Thank you. Have a nice day.